Hello students, today we will discuss the second part of unit chemical kinetics. In this part we will discuss some topics like integrated rate equation for zero order reaction, integrated rate equation for first order reaction, half-life for both zero and first order reaction, and pseudo first order reactions. In the first one, as the topic indicate, it is an integrated rate equation. We know the instantaneous rate which we calculated earlier is said differential rate equation, but it is not convenient to detect or calculate the small amount of concentration at a very small time duration, that is delta t. So we integrate these differential rate equations for convenient. Here it is the integration of zero order reaction with graphical representation. The next one is first order reaction with graphical representation. These graphs are very important because in these graphs the question mostly comes in examination. After showing the graph, you have to answer it about the order of reaction. The next one is half-life of reaction for zero order and first order. It is a pseudo-chemical reaction. The example is hydrolysis of ester. The next one, 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions. As you see in question number 5, for a chemical reaction, reactant convert into P. The variation is given by this plot. Predict the order of reaction. You can see in this graph, x-axis represents the time and y-axis represents the concentration. Concentration versus time का ये ग्राफ है. तो अगर आप इसे ध्यान से देखो तो ये कंसंट्रेशन टाइम का अगर इस तरह का स्लोप आता है तो ये जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन होती है. चाहो तो आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो लाइक दिस, जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बहुत आते हैं. दीज आर द अदर क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, 8, 9, 10 till 12. देन 3 mark क्वेश्चंस. This one. Question number 18 is a tricky and important question. 19, 20, to this one, 23, 24, 25, 6, 27, 28, 29. I think it's over. 5 marks questions. Again tabular form. And question number 33. Again a graphical representation and asking about the prediction of the order of reaction. So thank you for today class.